Hi guys, today I'll be showing you the animated eyeball doorbell. I got this at Rite Aid. If you want to go to Rite Aid, so go to Rite Aid, and they'll, if it's the one like that's close to the store called Fruta. Yes, that's my first time talking in Spanish in this YouTube channel. If you see that one, Fruta, that one, I'm pretty sure that one. No, it's a different one. I really want to delete that part where I talk in Spanish. But if you see like that, a Rite Aid thing, like, and like it's like kind of close. Like you see these houses, like that are blue and that. They're just a bit, and then you go to Rite Aid. I've said Rite Aid a lot of times in this video now. If you can count them, I don't know, just count them and then write them on a paper. But then there will be only 2 of the animated eyeball doorbells, and if you see one of those and you see the price, buy it because it is this one. If you see this, with this, what do you see? Animated eyeball doorbell. Stop! Okay, there it is. It's hella loud, so please don't do it in the night if someone is sleeping, because then you might wake them up, and then they might just slap you. So yeah, but tomorrow's gonna be the Halloween party, if you don't know already, because you watched my other video. If you haven't watched that one, which is tomorrow is the big day. If you watch that one, then it will make sense. I'm going to say you already know it's gonna be the Halloween party tomorrow. It's gonna be like for 50 minutes, and I'm gonna be filming those 50 minutes, and we're gonna see what happens. Jesse is coming, Carlitos is coming, Georgie. Well, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Carlitos is coming, and Georgie is coming. Those are confirmed. But Jesse, he isn't confirmed yet, but probably. And one of my teachers, a new person in my YouTube channel that might be coming, will be introduced. And we will be playing Halloween Run, and other things like, Scramble or Dominoes. I meant to say Scrabble and Dominoes. So we might be playing those, and then Halloween Run. But the person who wins like another game might be getting the box. And the box has a bunch of candy, and it even has one of my Halloween drawings. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for that. And even if you don't have time, you can watch it another day when you have time. So see you guys in the next video, or probably tomorrow. Bye.